click run once. It's posting on Facebook page and it's on. It's completed. Go to your database. Look at this. The first item is completed. This was posted. I'm gonna go to my Facebook account here. Go here. Refresh the page. And this is a post. This was posted automatically. Okay? Or new products here discovered what makes it unique. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create and publish thousands of posts on Facebook automatically for free. Here you have a flowchart. Basically, from a database in Google Sheet, you were able to post on Facebook automatically. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna create everything from scratch, step by step. Okay, here the first module is Google Sheet, and here we're gonna search rows, and here we need to set up our Google Sheet first of all. So go and create here a new Google Sheet. The title, Facebook, and complete some fields here, such as description, tags, date, and if this was posted. Okay, cool. Now, here we're gonna make some things. The text color and bold. Okay, perfect. And here I'm gonna use the drop down. The first option, if it was schedule, and here if it was posted. The color here, I think this is perfect. Okay, cool. Let's jump into make the count, and here we're gonna make this. I'm gonna look for here, Facebook. This is the name of the sheet that we have created. The sheet name, the sheet number 1. Okay, the filter will apply here. This will depend on the date. And here we'll apply a format. This format is the format date. Okay. Now, and here, month to month, day to day, and this year. Okay, that's all. Click OK. And the next field that I'm gonna use here is Google Slide. I need to create a template. So go again here and go to Google Slides. And here, we're gonna create a new one here. First of all, it's important to set up the page. Okay, I'm gonna use this new format here, and I'm gonna delete this. Okay, this is ready. Now, for this, I'm gonna use Canva. In Canva, I'm gonna type here. You go to your Canva account and type something like this is for Facebook. Posts. Okay. Well, here you have some models that you can use for this. I'm gonna choose this template. Okay. Customize this template. And you have from here, wanna make some changes here. First of all, this the image, and here I don't need this. Your brand, if you have, I'm gonna put in Facebook.com or your business.com. Okay, when you have done your template, just download. Click here. Perfect, it's downloaded. Now go again to your Google slide, and here I'm gonna insert the image. Apply for computer. Okay, you can customize this template, and here I'm gonna apply this layout, and I'm gonna delete this part first of all. Select this part and delete, and here I'm gonna use dynamic parameters. Okay, this is important for create thousands of posts automatically. That's the reason I'm gonna use these curly braces. Using these curly braces, I'm gonna put here description. Cool. Now, I think it's good here. This part. And I'm gonna change the color. Okay. Well, it's done. When you get it, go here. This part is important. You need to select and click skip slide. Okay, everything's done. Now, let's jump in to make the come again. And here, I'm gonna add a new module, Google Slides, and choose create a slide from a template slide. And here, I'm gonna choose, but first of all, give a name to here. This was Facebook. Okay, this is important. Go here again. Here. I need to refresh. And here, I'm gonna look for the Facebook, the name of that page of the slide. Well, here, template slide ID, there will be automatically slide number 1. Okay, description. Here I have this, the description of from Google Sheets, okay? Alright, that's all. And here we're gonna add new module. This is get a page thumbnail. And here we're gonna select automatically the presentation ID and here the page ID. Select yes. Here, okay. Now we need to add our Facebook pages. And here we're gonna create a post with photos. Okay. Select your account and the page. Alright. Here upload a photo. In this case I'm gonna use the URL. Okay, here the URL that I'm using that it comes from the content URL from the last module. And here the message I have here. The message will be the description and the tags. Click OK. And the last module we're gonna use here is Google Sheets again. Update the row. Okay, here select Facebook is the name of the Google Sheet. The sheet name, sheet 1. Row number, it comes from the first module, row number. And here, when I complete and fill out these fields with description, obviously with the description, the tags, date, and here, if it got posted, I'm gonna type here, posted. Alright, it's done. Now for the next step here, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. And here, I'm gonna type something like create 20 marketing posts for with the okay. I'm gonna use this simple words and send to ChatGPT. Okay. Oh, look at this. You have here some examples. When you got it, just copy and paste in your Google Sheet the date. I'm gonna use the date of today. '24. Okay, here. But if you want, you can complete for every date. Every day will be created and will post it on your Facebook page automatically. The same thing with this. Okay, well, now everything is done. I'm gonna pause from today. This will automatically pause it. Now let's jump into make the cone, and we're gonna make a test here. Click run once, and it takes some few seconds. It's posting on Facebook page, and it's on. It's completed. Go to your database. Look at this. The first item is completed. This was posted. I'm gonna go to my Facebook account here. Go here, refresh the page, and this is the first or new product is here. This code what makes unique. This is a post. This is what posted automatically. Okay? Or new products here. Discovered what makes it unique. That is what it. And here they will pause automatically for the other items. You wanna make some changes here. You wanna complete, change something. You can do it here. No matter what kind of things you do here, this will automatically pause it for every day. Well, that's all. Currently, you have here how you can create and post on Facebook page. But if you want, in the previous video I created how you can do the similar in Instagram account. You can combine both and you have all your social medias working together. Okay, well, you can add another modules here, send emails, use maybe the module of ChatGPT here. You can put it into here and everything will be done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them down below. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.